ingredient used in this keto meal recipe is low carb. What more could you want? It's fast, simple, tasty, and healthy. Every ingredient used in this keto salmon recipe has only 2 net carbs per serving. Since salmon is naturally high in omega-3 fatty acids, this garlic butter salmon is even better for you. In addition to being healthy, this garlic butter salmon has a lot of flavor. It is cooked in a slightly cheesy, creamy sauce, and it comes out tender and flaky. The salmon cooks in one pan for this keto salmon recipe, saving you both time and cleanup. This recipe makes salmon for 4 people in under 30 minutes. It's also enough for the whole family to enjoy. The fact that this keto salmon recipe uses so many regular cooking ingredients is another reason to like it. Here's what you'll need to make the salmon: 3 to 4 salmon fillets, 1½ teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt and pepper, 1 cup heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of butter, 5 garlic cloves, 3 cups of fresh spinach, just under ½ cup of Parmesan cheese, and 1 vegetable or chicken bouillon cube. To finish it all off, lemon, parsley, and more. Before cooking the salmon, pat it dry with paper towels. Add some olive oil and butter to a large skillet and heat it over medium-high heat. Season the salmon with salt, pepper, and smoked paprika and sear it on the flesh side first, the pink side, for 3 to 5 minutes on each side. If your pan is big enough, you can cook all of the salmon at once. If not, you'll have to work in batches. After the salmon is done, remove it from the pan and set it aside. To make the garlic butter sauce, begin by melting 3 tablespoons of butter in the same pan you cooked the salmon in. Place minced garlic in the butter, then add the fresh spinach, and cook until the mixture is done. Reduce the heat to low-medium, then add the heavy cream. Stir occasionally while the mixture simmers. Finally, add the bouillon cube, salt, and pepper to the skillet, and let it simmer longer. To make a thinner sauce, you can add a little water. It's time to take the flavor of the sauce to the next level by melting the Parmesan cheese in the pan and letting the sauce simmer for another minute or so until it thickens and becomes creamy. Then add the salmon back to the pan, garnish with parsley and a squeeze of lemon juice, and serve. Finally, serve this delicious keto lemon garlic butter salmon with any side of your choice and enjoy.